Hi, my name is Dr. Daniel Stewart, and I am a doctor of physical therapy practicing in Salt Lake City, Utah. And I wanted to introduce you to the Activforce2 kit. So if we open it up here, you'll see that it comes with a welcome card. And so we'll put that off to the side. And opening up, we've got about 3 cavities to work with. We're gonna start with the far right, which is the Activforce2 handheld dynamometer and inclinometer. This is what we use to test the range of motion and the strength. As you'll see here, it has a locking or attachment mechanism here, and comes with 2 attachments that have tabs that fit directly into the locking mechanism. This is our arch pad. The arch pad is made for bony areas of the body. A lot of times we're testing at the shin or the elbow or the wrist, and it needs a little bit more cushion in order to make the test more comfortable and become more accurate. This pad also comes apart to where you have a easily cleanable surface that you can wipe down with disinfectants. It also has a insert that has some foam for comfort, or you can use it just as the regular pad on areas that aren't so bony. So there's that. Put this back together. Okay. Our next pad is our rounded pad, and the rounded pad can fit in as well, has the same locking mechanism with tabs on the back. So we'll go ahead and put this on here at about a 45-degree angle and twist it into place. And that's how you fit the pads and the attachments onto place. I use this pad for grip strength tests or when I'm testing areas that have more mass to them, that aren't as bony. Next, we've got our belt plate and hand strap. So this hand strap allows you to strap the device to your hand and give you a little bit more control over the device when you're doing strength tests. The belt has this convenient hole that when you slip in the Activforce app, it pokes through, and you can then attach your device right into there, like so. You then feed your hand through the straps, and that gives you the best control when you're trying to perform a strength measurement test. Okay, so there's that. Finally, we've got a couple different straps that you can replace the hand strap with. Let's say you want to put it on a larger body part that the hand strap does not fit around. It includes a little bit of a larger strap so that you can tie it around someone's head, you can attach it to someone's leg or torso, and you would use this when you're performing your measurements. And then finally, it comes with a belt that has a plate on it that you can also feed the device through. This strap is used for pulling forces or anchoring the device down so that you can get a more accurate measurement on people who are on muscle groups that are a little bit stronger than you're used to testing. And that is what is included in the Activforce2 kit.